Hey Mia, can you help me to do this homework?
About?
Past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. It's so hard.
Okay, come on, they're actually easy.
You just talk about past, bro.
Yeah, but situations are different. Let me explain to you. So, first, past simple. Past simple is used for actions that started and finished in the past. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. So, this means that the action was completely finished.
Okay, finishing action.
Second, past continuous. Past continuous is used for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was watching a movie at 8 p.m. So this means that the action was still in progress at that moment.
Oh, so the action was not finished yet?
Yes. And last, past perfect. Past perfect is used for actions that were happening before another past actions. For example, I had watched the movie before my friend came. So first, I watched the movie, then my friend came.
So, past simple is used to talk about an action that already started and finished in the past. And for the past perfect, it's used to talk about an action that already happened before another action. What about the past continuous?
Past continuous is used for actions that were still happening at a certain time in the past.
And guys, so you know about the past simple, past continuous, and past perfect.
Okay, bye!